I got good news. I got good news. I'm gonna make more videos. My voice hurts, but anyways, I'm gonna make more good videos. I'm gonna keep talking, even though my voice hurts. As you see, there's a mouth right there. And don't tell me I'm just trying to be funny. That's an eyeball. Okay. Why is everything gray? Alright, anyways. Oh, no, it's about to rain. I just noticed. Alright, anyways. As you see, the nice sky. Nice sky is right here. Nice sky. Nice sky. Well, this volcano is weird. Anyways, as you see, it's about to rain. As you see all the way down there, it looks like there's about to be a tornado, but no. Once you go, hold up. I'm running faster than anything. Yeah, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm Sonic the. Oh, okay. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. As you see, that way is covered by dark roofness of about to rain. Oh my God! Look right there. The mouth changed. Look at that mouth. The mouth looked new. It's about to storm in my house, and I don't allow that in my house. Oh. Yeah, as you see, you hear birds running from the storm. It's about to rain. Don't ask questions on why this thing is gray. My thing is about to be covered, and I'm gonna come and see that. Be in the rain. This dark gray stuff. But yeah. So yeah, normal clouds versus volcano rainy clouds. Like clouds, like cloud storms. Oh, I saw a lot of birds running. Oh my God! Look at this. The sun is about to be covered. Oh, no, it's already covered. Oh my God, everything is covered.